Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Banima Park. Yay! One of us is Mehmet Meshach Yusik. Can you guess which one? Is it A, B, or C? A. How many? B. C. No, it's A. This is Mehmet Meshach Yusik. This is his show. This is my friend Jeff on the drums, and my name is Eldin. We're going to do some original tunes for you. A huge thank you to Sound Symposium for inviting us, and the Association for New Canadians for being so generous. This first song is called Broken Soul. See we can live without money, but you cannot live without a soul. So being broke is okay, but having a broken soul is much worse. So make sure that never happens to you. Next song is called Wanted Man. By the way, all these are original songs, and Mesha has written all the bass parts for them, and Jeff has written all the drum parts for them. I have written the lyrics. This one is about a wanted man. So, Broken Soul, Wanted Man. The next song is called American Dream. And it doesn't speak about America per se. Again, it's about pursuing money over happiness. Enjoy it. Thank you so much. You know what? Choices. We still have choices. We live in this beautiful country. We have democracy. We have a beautiful government that listens to us. But sometimes it's an illusion. Make sure the choices you're making in your own life are not an illusion. This is a song about that. For you again on the bass guitar, Mehmet Neshak Yusik. Please give him a hand. Thank you so much. He makes us look good. He even had a shower today, so please. Double.
True.
It's true. It's true. He smells really good. This is Jeff, our token Newfoundlander member. He has to represent the community. My name is Eldin. I originally come from Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, Serbia. Mesha comes from South Korea. Jeff is from Placentia. Nobody's perfect. We don't give him the microphone because, you know, otherwise he'll put us down. One more. Cover or original? What do you want? Original. The sun or the sun? How about ice cream? You know what? It's summer. There's a song that we wrote about ice cream. It's a little bit more than about just ice cream, but we will not reveal all the information here because there's children. You are the best dancer, and I love the dinosaur shirt, man. Seriously, man. The dinosaur shirt is the best. Seriously, seriously. So this is a song about ice cream. After we finish here, we do accept payment in ice cream. I like vanilla. What about you, Mesha? What's your favorite flavor? Vanilla. Vanilla as well, Jeff? 3 vanillas, please, coming up.
1, 2.